Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana reporting with AI tools. This feature streamlines the process of creating status updates by automatically generating comprehensive reports based on your project data, saving you time and ensuring nothing important gets overlooked. First, navigate to your project on the left sidebar, select the project you want to create a report for, and once you're there, click on the Overview tab at the top. This is where you'll access Asana's AI-powered reporting features that can analyze your project activity and generate detailed status updates. Next, look beside the project name where you'll see the status button. This might display at risk, on track, or whatever your current project status is. Click on this button and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Draft Update with AI. This initiates Asana's AI assistant, which will help you create a comprehensive status report. Now you'll need to configure a few settings for your report. Start by setting the status using the drop-down under Status. You might choose On Track or whichever option best reflects your project's current state. This ensures your team immediately understands the project health at a glance. Then select the date range for the update. You can choose options like Since Last Update, which tells the AI what time period to analyze when generating the report. This ensures your status update covers the most relevant recent activity. If you want the AI to focus on specific areas, click plus Add Guidance and type specific instructions or topics. For example, you might write Make a report about new completions to emphasize recently finished tasks. This guidance helps the AI tailor the report to highlight what matters most to your team. Once everything is configured, click the blue Draft Update button. Asana will now process all your project data and generate a comprehensive report draft. This may take a few moments as the AI analyzes tasks, milestones, and team activity. When the draft is ready, review what the AI has generated. You'll see a headline summary of project status, status indicator, and owner fields, a detailed summary with key points and visual breakdowns on the right, showing milestones, completed tasks, approvals, and incomplete tasks organized by assignee. This gives you and your team a complete picture of project progress. If you need to make adjustments, click Edit to modify any text fields. You can update the headline, revise the summary, or adjust individual key points to better reflect your perspective or add context the AI might have missed. Before posting, you can add collaborators to notify specific team members, attach relevant files, or show and hide additional fields based on what information your audience needs to see. Finally, when you're satisfied with the report, click Post at the top right to publish the updated status report to your team. Your AI-generated status update is now live and accessible to everyone who needs to stay informed about project progress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.